Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Do I-94 visitors need to update their address with the federal government? In light of the newly implemented 2025 Alien Registration Rule by the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, DHS, a pressing question has emerged among known immigrants. Are visitors admitted with an I-94 record required to notify the federal government if they change their U.S. address? The answer, grounded in long-standing statutes and reaffirmed by the latest regulation, is a clear yes. Legal basis for address reporting. Under 8 U.S.C. SS 1305A, all foreign nationals, except for specific visa categories like A, diplomats, and G, international organization representatives, are required to report a change of address to U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, within 10 days of the move. This requirement applies equally to those who entered the United States with a valid I-94 arrival/departure record, a standard admission document for most non-immigrants. The I-94 serves as both a record of lawful entry and, under current policy, a recognized proof of registration. As such, the obligations tied to that registration, including address reporting, apply fully to its holders. Reinforcement in the 2025 regulation, the 2025 Interim Final Regulation implementing the new registration form E-325R further underscores this responsibility. While the form focuses on comprehensive biographic and immigration data collection, the surrounding regulatory guidance makes it clear that any individual considered registered must keep their information current with USCIS. For I-94 holders, this means you are considered registered under the new framework. You must notify USCIS of any address change within 10 days. Failure to do so may result in civil fines, misdemeanor charges, and even removal proceedings. Exceptions and enforcement. Certain groups are exempt from the address change requirement. Visa Waiver Program, VWP, visitors, A and G visa holders. However, these exemptions do not apply to I-94 holders, whether they are tourists, business visitors, students, or temporary workers. Notably, USCIS allows address changes to be reported online via the USCIS Change of Address page, making compliance relatively straightforward. Consequences of non-compliance. Under the revised enforcement regime, failure to report a change of address, if deemed willful or inexcusable, can result in fines up to $5,000, up to 30 days imprisonment, removal from the U.S. This makes it crucial for all non-immigrants, especially I-94 holders with extended stays, to maintain accurate records and timely file updates. Conclusion. Yes, visitors admitted to the U.S. with an I-94 are legally required to report address changes to the federal government. This obligation is a vital part of their registration and legal stay in the U.S. Non-compliance, intentional or not, can result in serious immigration consequences. As such, I-94 holders must treat address updates not as a formality but as a core legal duty during their stay in the United States.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, ask the lawyer. You have questions, we've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.